So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we are going to recreate or copy Jisoo makeup look, or let's say transforming myself into Jisoo makeup look. So Blackpink. So without further more, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please like and share and comment on this video. And at the same time, please follow me on my social media account, Instagram with Darius Evardo, and Facebook Darius Evardo. So let's jump out to the video. So first, we're going to apply glue to our eyebrows. Next, we're going to apply foundation to our face. I'm using Sunsun and EB Advanced. So the Sunsun is full coverage. It looks like Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So I'm Sunsun the shade number 3. After you apply your foundation, you're going to do concealer. So I use EB Advanced Shine Free Foundation as a substitute for the concealer. So it's full coverage naman. So you need to set it. When you're going to set it, use our setting powder, translucent powder, or loose powder. Naantok na ako. I feel so sleepy now. Then after that, we're going to do our eyebrows. So I'm using BYS from BYS. That is the BYS Pro Definition Kit. It has a 3 shade: the brown, the dark gray, and the black. Okay, so yeah, we're going to copy Jennie makeup, Jennie eyebrows. So after that, you're going to wipe off all the powder we baked our piece. Okay, then after that, we're going to set again for the fallout of eyeshadow. So I use the orange or yellow orange shadow. It's look like real naman. Guys, I feel dizzy na. Okay? Sorry for the voice. Okay? Then after you apply the eyeshadow, we're going to apply cut crease so that it's look like chinita like that. Sink it. Okay, after that, we're going to apply liquid eyeliner from UIS, Smudge Free. So this is so good. You need to check this out. I bought this from Watson, the same as the BYS. If you're going to buy this at Watson, make sure there is no sales lady. Okay, kidding. So I messed. So you need to copy Jennie eye bag. Lol. Naaantok na talaga ako, kaya sorry for my voice. Blackpink. So we're going to nose line. So you just copy the nostril of Jennie, the nose line of Jennie like that. So I'm 2%. Need to finish this. So we're going to highlight the nose. After that, we're going to do face sculpture. So I'm using Sunsun face sculpture. We're going to contour. So just copy Jennie contour and make it, pababa yung contour kasi parang gagayahin mo nga sa Jennie. So you need to pababa because yung elongated and oblique yung face ng mga Koreano. Horizontal oblique. Then blush. After the blush, we're going to highlight. Guys, this Sunsun is so good naman. It looks like Caroline or EB Advanced. So you need to try this also. I bought this from Natasha. So highlight. So the highlight of Sunsun is so blinding. You need to try this as well. So you need to check this out. Okay. So lastly, I'm using Super Stay Matte Ink from Maybelline, the shade Amazonian. This is so good. This is very matte. So we're going to aura na. So Blackpink. So I'm so nervous